Right, let's have a look at how we're going to do this. Right, with a small brush, with not very much paint. Now, this sounds a weird thing to do, but you're going to draw in with the brush the eyes. Now, if you do too much paint with this, when we do our washes over the top, our transparencies, the paint will bleed too much. With the arches, when you're going to paint the washes, you'll need to start with a little bit of water over here. Let's just one thing at a time. Let's do the eyes. Sorry, I'm jumping ahead.